into the room, but I don't feel seen. Like I'm whispering loud in someone else's dream. Smiles float by like strangers on a train. I try to speak, but I choke on the rain. Every word's a battle, every glance a war. I wanna reach out, but I freeze at the door. I got walls around my words and silence in my chest. Wanna dance into the crowd, but I panic with the rest. Yeah, it's not that I don't care, I just don't know how to be when the world feels like a party that forgot to wait for me. Oh yeah. Laughter echoes, but I can't find the joke. They talk in colors, I breathe in smoke. I rehearse every line in my head before I speak, but by the time I'm ready, the moment's too weak. I ain't cold, I ain't cruel, I just get lost inside, like a melody unheard when the music's too wide. I got walls around my words and silence in my chest. Wanna dance into the crowd, but I panic with the rest. It's not that I don't care, I just don't know how to be when the world feels like a party that forgot to wait for me. Oh, I'm trying, Lord knows I'm trying to break through the noise without always crying. But this voice I've got is softer than the room, still hoping someday I'll sing in tune. I got walls around my words, but I'm breaking them tonight. Gonna step into the fire with my heart held tight. I'm not perfect, I'm just me, and maybe that's the key to turn this lonely whisper into harmony.